Alright, well, I'm at a steam boiler situation here. This valve is no longer, well, it's leaking pretty bad. Well, gotta take this out of this radiator, thread this out, put a new valve in. Downstairs below, I have to lift up the line because it is back pitched and holding water. Strap that up with some wood and a strap. Turn on and see if it leaks, but there's a lot of moisture here, a lot of moisture in the basement coming down the pipe, so we'll see. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. I'm actually here with my brother, my real brother, so it should be fun. I like working with him. This is the basement area. This is the pipe that is back pitch. It's lower than it usually is because of the valve disconnected from the radiator, but put wood up there. I got cobwebs in my hair, but yeah, I'll put one of these straps. Get it pitched. Boiler's back behind that water heater around the chimney. But apparently this guy has had a lot of leaks before. Dresser couplings, pipe. Back upstairs. I got the new nipple and a nut in there. This little tool, you guys haven't seen this before. There's grooves in here. It slides in, and that's how you unthread them out and thread a new one back in. We used 18, actually 24 with the cheater. Turns out, got it all together upstairs, and there was a leak coming out of the 90 coming through, kind of like that. Turn on the steam heat and just started pissing out of the thread area. So cut it there, drop that down, and cut it here. And it took me and my brother 2 pipe wrenches, 24, 18, and 2 cheaters. Used as a cheater. I used the old pipe, fit over to 18. Now we're going to put a male adapter copper, pipe it all 1.25 inch, 90 up through with another male adapter, and thread on the valve. Oh. There's Johnny. This basement. You don't like this basement?
No. Basement. Very low. Oh,
this place is up. Let's get the boiler turned on, steam boiler. So we went with a 90 and a street 45 and up to the floor.
looking good?
So far. It's not warm yet, but we would know if we have a leak by now.
For an uncertain target of prostitutes, suppose the body means that disposal usually reflects how the person feels towards them.
Looks like he didn't think poorly of his victims.
Here's your new valve. Piece of copper, 1.25 inches.
Folded, the bodies are laid to rest before I park outside the
I think this one over here.
A new vent.
sexual violations. Now the Emmys report says there's no
adjustable.
sexual activity before death.
So what's he doing with them?